Today let's have a tour of our semi-automated production line, which is now producing the 25 volts 50 ampere hour smart LiFePO4 battery. Spot welding the cells is the first step in forming the battery pack. This is the worker who is responsible for putting the cells into the spot welding mold. He will put the nickel tabs into the mold according to the marked positive and negative poles. Then another person will place the cells on top of the nickel tabs, and finally check if there is no misplacement and cover the mold. Once this is done, the mold is placed on the track and the automatic spot welding begins, which is set up by the computer and does not require any further manual work. When the spot welding is complete, the worker at the other end is already waiting. He takes the mold and the battery pack, dismantles the grinding tool and puts it back on the conveyor belt, leaving the spot welded battery pack, which we can see is perfectly spot welded. The following work is an assembly line operation, with 10 workers in their positions, completing their part of the work. They will respectively apply tape and insulating material to the battery pack, fill the gaps with EVA, install the sampling wire, solder the wires, putting the battery pack into the case, connect the BMS and a series of other operations, which is a series of detailed work. dividing the work to make the probability of error smaller and guarantee the consistency of the production.